In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calendar in Miro Notion. We'll start in Miro to build a visual flexible content calendar, then move into Notion for a structured automated version. By the end, you'll have two workflows you can use together or separately. Open Miro and create a new board. Give it a clear name like Content Calendar so it's easy to find later. Think of this board as your planning canvas. To build the layout, create a grid. You can add frames for each week to keep things organized or manually draw a grid using shapes if you prefer a custom look. Label your columns Monday through Sunday so you always know where each item belongs. Weekly frames plus weekday columns make it simple to scan your schedule at a glance. Now start adding content cards with sticky notes. Each sticky note represents a single task or post. Keep it one note per content item. Label examples like YouTube tutorial or client post, and jot quick details if needed. Next, color code your notes to communicate status at a glance. Use blue for educational content, yellow for promotional items, and green for anything that's already posted. This small step saves a ton of time when you're scanning a busy board. Add dates to the top of each column or directly on a note, like April 25th, Reel, so you always know when something goes live. To keep everything in one place, attach supporting files and links right to the board, such as Cloud Drive links, designs from your favorite graphic tool, or videos from your editor. If plans change, just drag sticky notes to adjust the schedule. This is where Miro really shines for flexible planning. When you're ready, share the board with your team or clients and use comments or tags to gather feedback and assign follow-ups. Now let's switch to Notion for a structured calendar. Create a new page and name it Content Calendar. Type /calendar and choose Calendar View to spin up a dynamic calendar database instantly. Click any date to add an entry with a clear title, a helpful description, and the platform you're targeting. Enhance your workflow with custom properties like status for draft, editing, or posted, platform for where it's going, and tags to mirror your categories such as educational or promo. View your content in different ways without duplicating work. Switch between calendar, board, Kanban, and table views to see the same data from multiple angles. Add dates and reminders to stay on track and attach scripts, thumbnails, or reference links to each entry. Finally, duplicate your calendar each month to keep your system tidy and maintain a clean history of past work.